What does trust mean to you?
Trust means believing that someone will do the right thing even when no one is watching.
How do you build trust with others?
I build trust by keeping my promises and being consistent in my actions.
Why is honesty important in relationships?
Honesty is important because it creates transparency and strengthens emotional bonds.
How do you know if someone is trustworthy?
I know someone is trustworthy when their words and actions always match.
What happens when trust is broken?
When trust is broken, it takes a long time to rebuild and things never feel the same.
How can a person regain trust after lying?
A person can regain trust by apologizing sincerely and proving their honesty through actions.
What makes you trust someone easily?
I trust someone easily when they are open, kind, and reliable.
How does honesty affect friendships?
Honesty makes friendships stronger and helps avoid misunderstandings.
Why do people sometimes hide the truth?
People sometimes hide the truth because they fear hurting others or facing consequences.
How do you feel when someone lies to you?
I feel disappointed and start questioning everything they've said before.
What's the best way to be honest without being rude?
The best way is to speak gently and focus on the truth, not the blame.
How do you handle someone who lies often?
I distance myself from them and avoid sharing personal things.
Why is it hard to tell the truth sometimes?
It's hard because the truth can be painful or uncomfortable to say.
What qualities make a person honest?
An honest person is sincere, straightforward, and respectful.
How does trust affect teamwork?
Trust helps teams work smoothly because everyone relies on each other.
Why do people lose trust in others?
People lose trust when promises are broken or lies are discovered.
How can parents teach children about honesty?
Parents can teach honesty by being good examples and praising truthful behavior.
What role does honesty play in leadership?
Honesty builds respect and makes people confident in their leaders' decisions.
How do you rebuild trust with a friend?
I rebuild trust by being patient, honest, and consistent with my words and actions.
Why is honesty important at work?
Honesty helps maintain fairness and creates a healthy work environment.
What happens when a relationship lacks trust?
Without trust, relationships become full of doubt and insecurity.
How do you show honesty in small things?
I show honesty by admitting mistakes and keeping my commitments.
Why do people value honesty in friendships?
They value honesty because it shows genuine care and respect.
How do you test someone's honesty?
I observe how they react in difficult or tempting situations.
What's the difference between honesty and truth?
Honesty is a habit of telling the truth, while truth is a fact itself.
Why do lies damage relationships?
Lies destroy confidence and make people feel betrayed.
How can a person become more trustworthy?
By being reliable, honest, and transparent in every situation.
What kind of people do you trust the most?
I trust people who keep secrets and never gossip about others.
How does trust grow between two people?
It grows through time, shared experiences, and consistent behavior.
Why do honest people earn more respect?
They earn respect because people know they stand by their words.
How can honesty solve misunderstandings?
Honesty clears doubts and helps both sides understand the truth.
What do you do when someone hides something from you?
I ask them directly and give them a chance to explain.
How does dishonesty affect your self-image?
Dishonesty makes you feel guilty and damages your integrity.
Why is it difficult to trust again after betrayal?
Because the fear of being hurt again never completely goes away.
How can couples maintain trust in marriage?
By communicating openly and never hiding anything from each other.
What are the signs of a trustworthy person?
They keep secrets, tell the truth, and admit when they are wrong.
Why is honesty important for students?
It teaches responsibility and helps build a good character.
What happens when people fake honesty?
They eventually get exposed and lose respect forever.
How do you express honesty in communication?
By being clear, respectful, and avoiding exaggerations.
Why should leaders value transparency?
Transparency helps others trust their decisions and actions.
How can social media affect trust?
Fake profiles and misinformation make it harder to believe what people say online.
Why do people lie to protect others?
They lie to avoid hurting feelings or causing conflict.
How do you forgive someone who lied to you?
I forgive when they admit their mistake and truly change.
What's the difference between lying and keeping a secret?
Lying hides the truth, while keeping a secret sometimes protects it.
How can honesty make life easier?
Honesty reduces stress because you don't have to remember lies.
Why does trust take time to build?
Because people need time to prove their reliability and intentions.
How do you react when someone questions your honesty?
I stay calm and provide proof to clear any misunderstanding.
Why is honesty the best policy?
Because it creates peace of mind and builds long-term respect.
How does honesty impact your reputation?
It makes others see you as reliable and dependable.
Why do honest people sleep better?
Because they have nothing to hide and no guilt in their hearts.
How can honesty improve relationships?
It brings openness and removes unnecessary doubt.
Why do people pretend to be honest?
They want to gain trust quickly without earning it.
How do you show someone they can trust you?
By keeping their secrets safe and supporting them when needed.
Why is trust essential in teamwork?
Because without trust, cooperation and success become impossible.
How do lies spread faster than truth?
Because people enjoy gossip and drama more than reality.
What do you learn from losing someone's trust?
You learn how valuable honesty is and how hard it is to rebuild.
Why should honesty start with yourself?
Because self-honesty helps you stay true to your values.
How does honesty connect to self-respect?
When you are honest, you respect your own conscience.
Why do some people lie for attention?
They lie to feel important or liked by others.
What happens when friends stop trusting each other?
They start drifting apart and the friendship eventually fades.
How do you feel after telling the truth in a tough situation?
I feel relieved even if the outcome isn't perfect.
Why should honesty be practiced daily?
Because it becomes a habit that shapes good character.
How do you build trust in a new relationship?
By being open, patient, and always honest.
Why is trust hard to earn but easy to lose?
Because one small lie can destroy years of honesty.
How do you teach honesty through actions?
By being truthful even when it's uncomfortable.
What makes people doubt your honesty?
Inconsistency between words and actions makes people doubt.
Why do people test trust?
They test it to see how loyal or reliable others are.